Hello everyone, it's IST here at Reality Labs, and you're looking at some disposable camera circuits, and these ones here are Fuji. They're AAA disposable camera flash circuits, and we're going to show you how you modify one of these to make a power ring. And it's a very simple modification. Here's a completed unit that has been modified. It consists of 6 wires, and basically I remove a lot of the stuff that's not required. A lot of the stuff I just leave it alone, whether I use it or not, it's just left there. But I take off some of the external things. Basically, these are your output wires here, the red and the black one that attach directly onto the capacitor, which is right there. You can see it soldered on there. Next, the green Cat5 wire, which is your power supply wire, and that fastens on the back side there. We'll go through and show you step-by-step pictorial how this is done. And on the other side is the switch. This is where my off and on button is, and that's it. That's the entire modification, and this will work on every single disposable camera flash circuit out there. And that's basically it. That's all you do. We're going to go through here and show you what gets removed. This little switch here with the 2 prongs hanging out, I take that off. The 2 battery terminal leads, I take those off. And the front side here, I remove that switch. This little copper switch there. I take that off. Very simple to do. And the only other part you do then is connect 2 wires to the capacitor. And those become your output. And these are my little charge pumps, you could say. They charge up capacitors, and then I discharge the charged capacitor at whatever value I want for whatever specific job I've chosen for the thing to do. Anyways, enjoy. Here's how you do it. Only at Reality Labs. Peace out. Okay, so we've gone ahead and we've fired up the soldering iron. We have removed the battery terminals and the switch, which you will recall where they were located. Next, we're going to remove that double prong switch. Okay, we've managed to remove that switch. It is a little tricky, so you'll have a bit of a battle with that, but it's good to get it off of there. This is a look at the board with all of the components removed and no modifications made. And with the modifications, there is actually nothing that gets cut. The board and circuit remain the exact same. You simply remove parts that could cause you problems. So there's the entire flash board all ready for the wire modifications. Like I said, there are 6 wires, the 2 battery terminal inputs, the off and on switch, and the output wires. That's all. It's IST here. We've gone ahead and we've removed all of the parts I've pointed out in these videos of all the boards required for this power ring that I'm currently building. So there are the boards there. I have 6 of them. They're all the same. They're all Fuji flash camera circuits, so it makes the mods very easy. However, if you know anything about electronics, you'll see that the mods are the same regardless of the circuit. Here's a completed unit with the mods done on it, the 6 wires. And here I've gone ahead and I've started to add the first wire of the mod, which is a negative, and this, by the way, is connected to the negative stripe there of the capacitor. I use black color-coded wires so everybody can get a clear understanding, polarity-wise, what everything is, where it is. That's that. Now, I have, in this unit here, there's going to be a total of 9 circuits. I said 6 of these are the exact same, and here are the ones that are a little bit different. A bigger transformer. They run on a AA, not a AAA. Again, it will be the same mod. I will do to this. Very basic. Remove the switch, solder onto the push button switch contacts there I'm pointing at. Remove the battery terminal and hook up an external switch to turn it off and on. That's all. Tap the cap. There's 3 of these that are the exact same that I've located for a total of 9. Have a larger value capacitor on them, so I'm going to use those with 2 of these to charge 1 of these, and this is a large capacitor, and then that will then go ahead and feed a number of these that get banged through a pulse width modulator, which I have many built. I have built several. They use IRF 840s and a 555, and I can do it with a mechanical switch or without, depending on the amount of energy I'm working with and the application of it. So, just an update. I'm going to go ahead and take another pictorial here to carry on this video to show you the rest of the modifications to the camera circuit board to operate as a power ring. And this same modification, we'll have another video to follow that shows you how to add a Lights of America LED light to this, that you can then have lots of light for an extended period of time from a AA battery or whatever you choose to drive the system with. The limit is not one of those bulbs. I don't know the limit currently, but we'll get to that. That's coming up next. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've added the red and the black wire and the power supply wires, the green and the green stripe, which is a piece of Cat5 wire twisted. And I try and keep the green solid colored wire as the negative or ground wire. That way it just keeps it nice and simple. On the back side, next I'm going to add the switch, and the switch goes, you can see, I'll zoom right in here. It goes on this pad right here above the M that says Fujifilm on the circuit board. The one contact goes there and the other contact goes on those 2 stripes just below the FU on Fuji. And those 2 don't matter. I hook up the colors wherever they go. They simply go through a switch and complete the circuit. That is all. So no big worry on the orientation of the wires there. I simply try and keep the green wire here as a ground, so I know for my own reference. You do whatever you like. And there you have it, one completed IST Fuji mod board. And this, as I said, the IST mod will work on each and every disposable camera flash circuit. So, there you have it. It is complete. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.